Good day everyone, I'm Angel Mitawide. I'm going to present in agroforestry practices in Kinama Rizal, Kalinga documentation and basis for intervention plan. Introduction. Background of the study. The Philippines is considered as one of the biodiversity hotspot in the world due to its unique flora and fauna. Just like in many parts of the world, Philippines is also experiencing forest destructions, deforestation, and forest degradation. This consequently pose a great threat to the stability of the whole ecosystem. Philippine forest covers have degenerated because of massive logging activity, extreme poverty, and shifting cultivation. Current deforestation rate has been estimated at 100,000 per year. There are about 20 million Filipinos living in upland watershed areas. Half of one are independent of shifting cultivation for livelihood. The continuous influx of migrant communities has further aggravated the diminishing forest resources. Locale of the study methodology. The study was conducted at Kinama, Rizal, Kalinga from November to December 2022. Research designed the descriptive statistics such as mean, frequency count, and percentage will be used in this study. A structured interview will be utilized to gather relevant data. Likewise, field observation and documentation will be employed in this study. Respondents of the study were the agroforestry farmers, particularly in Kinama Rizal, Kalinga. Result and discussions. These sections present the findings, interpretation, analysis of data gathered from the respondents of the study. It includes the socio-demographic profiles of such as gender, age, civil status, ethnicity, and land tenure, number of years in agroforestry farming, income from agroforestry farming. It also includes farm profile such as farm size, farming practices, components of agroforestry system, problem encountered, and correlation analysis between income derived from agroforestry farming to educational attainment and number of years in farming. Reference is